Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today we try out if the Removu R1 Plus is compatible with the new GoPro Hero 7. The first thing we have to make sure is that the GoPro wireless band is set to 2.4 GHz because this is the band where the Removu works. After that, the GoPro must be set in pair mode for the GoPro app. Now I connect the camera with the GoPro app on my smartphone. Once both devices are paired, I simply close the application on the smartphone. Now I swap to the Removu and turn it on. If everything goes as expected, once turned on, the Removu will recognize the network of the GoPro Hero 7 and ask me to introduce the password. You can find this information on your camera, on the menu Connections, under the Point Camera Info. As you can see, the Removu pairs with the camera and the live preview works. I am also able to start and stop recording when in video mode. Another possibility is to change between camera modes. Nevertheless, there is a small problem when doing this on the Hero 7. If you go out of the video mode and keep swapping, you will not be able to go back in that mode. Only photo, burst, and time-lapse modes will be activated. To go back to the video mode, you have to use the button on the camera. I am also able to enter the playback mode on the Removu and browse through my files. Although here I must say that a thumbnail will only be shown in case of photo files. Also, I was not able to play video files on the Removu, only to open photos. And last, there is the possibility to shut down the Removu, the camera, or both at the same time. Except for the issue with the video mode, this is pretty much the same scenario that we had when using this product with the GoPro Hero 6.